I wish like there would be more nurses telling how easy it is to do nursing
Hmm.
than how hard it is to do nursing. You know,
No,
because I
that's
watch
true.
so many people. There's so many people out there. I'm all like, I look at my coworkers, not everybody looks like shit every fucking time they come to work, you know? Like they actually have a good time, you know, we have potlucks, you know, it's not everybody's, you know, having a bad time. But there's nobody out there making videos like, hey, and if you do make a video that nursing is easy, then you get all these like comments like, oh, you know, you must not be doing your job or you're lying or blah blah blah, whatever, you
So
know.
I made like a video like that, be like, I actually like my job and I get paid pretty well for New York. And then people are like, nah, you're lying. You're not probably even taking care of anyone the right way. I'm like, what are you talking about? I'm just good at what I do. I'm efficient. And
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Like if you're good at what you do, then you don't really have any problems. Like I know a lot, and I believe I tell people, hey, you know, if you work in the ER or you know, kind of anything that you're doing, but when it starts in the ER, if you can't line and lab somebody, then that kind of puts you in behind
oh yeah.
because if you know you're trying to rule out stroke, you can't get a line. If the guy you know is a STEMI patient, can't get a line, can't get any labs, you're falling behind.